This happened 5 years ago. My girlfriend and I were married after 8 years of dating. We were quite bold, and exploring to dangerous and creepy places was our passion. We decided for spending 2 days in Costa Rica's deep forest. At first, our family were not supportive to our decision, but we were adults after all. Anyway, we took a safety toolkit. It included a gun, yeah, I had a pistol, snakebite medicines, some food, torch, and matches. We left for the adventure after 2 days. Everything was fine, especially the drive towards our destination. We reached there at about 4 pm in the evening. We reached there at about 4 pm in the evening. We settled the tent, made a fireplace, and relaxed. There was no mobile network, so we had to put ourselves off. Well, we were happy about it. We had our dinner at about 8:30 pm. Everything was smooth. After dinner, I started playing my guitar. After a long while, I took out my poetry book and recited some of the romantic poems to my wife. She seemed happy and relaxed. After 2 hours, we thought of sleeping. My wife went into the tent to make the sleeping place. Well, I noticed a shadow standing behind the trees. I shouted, "Who in the world is that?" Well, I heard footsteps going away from our place. I took a deep breath and went to the place where the figure was standing. Luckily, it was gone. I went into the tent and slept. After some time, we heard a man laughing. I was seriously pissed off. I took out my gun and the torch to see who was it. When I put the torch on, there was nothing. I was relieved. I thought of sleeping anyway. The next day nothing happened. Everything was fine. After completing 2 days, we thought of leaving. I took out my car, put the luggages into it. We sat in the car and I put the engine on and started driving. We reached the highway and went to a food center to eat. I noticed a creep psychopath watching us. I saw him through the windows. When I tried to spot him again, he left. We were walking to the parking lot where my car was parked. But I saw the same guy smiling at us. He had a hammer with him. This smile was very big and wide. This made me seriously angry. I started punching him, and now he was covered with blood. He fell to the ground unconsciously. I thought the chapter was ended here. I was wrong. On our way, I saw the same creepy guy on a bike following us through the rearview mirror. I guess he had an axe. He threw it to the tire, it struck, and my car lost its control. He stopped his bike and charged on me with his hammer. I too started charging towards that guy. He jumped and charged with his hammer. I grabbed his hand, twisted his wrist. The hammer fell down. I Irish fired him and he fell down. I charged on him and struck his head on the ground. He was down now. I tied him with a rope and dialed 911. The cops came after a while and arrested that man. They told me he was a serial killer who used to kill people with hammers, that to sledgehammers. I wonder what would have happened if I wasn't strong enough to deal with him. After this incident, we left exploring